95% can play an important role in sustainable agriculture, animal feed, fishing bait, and even human food in many countries. Cricket farming is becoming popular because crickets are a sustainable protein source, easy to raise, short time, low cost, low labor, and require far fewer resources than traditional livestock. Crickets are packed with 60 to 70% protein by dry weight, making them an excellent feed ingredient and alternative protein source. Compared to traditional livestock, they require far less water, space, and feed while producing minimal greenhouse gases. The most commonly farmed cricket species include Acheta domesticus, house cricket, Gryllus bimaculatus, field cricket, and Gryllus assimilis. Cricket farming requires containers that are well ventilated yet escape-proof. Plastic bins, glass tanks, or insect cages work well. Add cardboard egg trays to give crickets space to hide and climb. Keep the container walls smooth or apply Vaseline near the edges to prevent escape. For optimal growth, temperature 28 to 32 degrees Celsius, humidity 50 to 70%. Dim or dark conditions are best. Be prepared for chirping, place farms in a sound-tolerant area. A balanced cricket diet includes poultry starter mash, wheat bran, maize powder, and fresh vegetables like carrots or cabbage. Provide water using soaked cotton pads or shallow trays to avoid drowning. Feed them 1 to 2 times daily and always remove spoiled food to prevent mold. To breed crickets, place a shallow tray filled with moist sand or coconut coir inside the enclosure. Females will deposit eggs about 1 to 2 centimeters deep. Maintain warmth and moisture for 7 to 10 days until the eggs hatch into tiny nymphs. These nymphs will grow into adults in 4 to 6 weeks, molting several times. Harvest adult crickets before overcrowding occurs. Freezing is the most humane way to kill them. They can be sold live, dried, roasted, or ground into cricket flour. The waste, known as froth, is a rich organic fertilizer. While profitable, cricket farming requires stable environmental conditions. Prevent escapes, maintain hygiene to avoid mold or bacteria, and invest in marketing, especially if selling for human consumption. Cricket farming is low-cost, eco-friendly, and scalable. Whether you want to start small at home or launch a commercial operation, the methods are simple and the market potential is huge. With proper care and management, cricket farming can be both profitable and sustainable for years to come. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more farming tips, and share this with someone who might start their own cricket farm.